Assume it done, not tomorrow, not eventually. Now you were never created to struggle your way into manifestation. You were created to rest in the quiet, steady inner conviction that what you desire is already yours. Faith is not force. Faith is not tension. Faith is calm. Faith is an inner exhale that whispers, it is done. Every desire inside you is not a longing, it's a message, a notification from your higher self saying, this is already yours in consciousness. Where it now, you do not manifest by chasing outcomes, you manifest by assuming identity. When you assume the end, you step into the version of yourself who already possesses your desire. And when you become that version inwardly, the world must mirror it outwardly. Let me give you a real-life example. Many people try to change their finances by working harder, stressing more, forcing results. They push, grind, hustle, sacrifice, yet nothing shifts. Why? Because their identity stays the same. They still feel broke inside. But the moment someone begins assuming financial security, actually feeling themselves supported, stable, abundant life responds. Suddenly, a forgotten opportunity appears. A client returns, a job offer opens, a message arrives saying, approved. They didn't change circumstances, they changed state. And circumstances obeyed. Another example. A woman spent years searching for love. She tried dating apps, going out more, reading advice, doing everything externally. But internally, she still assumed she was lonely. And the world reflected that assumption. When she finally shifted her inner identity, when she began to feel loved, chosen, desired, her outer world transformed. Strangers smiled at her, people approached her. Someone meaningful entered her life. She didn't attract love. She became the version of herself who is loved, and life adjusted to match her new state. Assumption is not pretending. Pretending says, maybe someday. Assumption says, already mine. Your outer world is a delayed reflection of your inner conversations. What you say about yourself in silence, that is your true prayer. What you feel when no one is watching, that is your decree to the universe. If you want to know your future, listen to the version of you that speaks inside your mind. Another example. A man wanted a promotion. He worked hard, stayed late, pushed himself, but his energy said, I'm not good enough yet. I need to prove myself. That assumption kept the promotion away. One day he shifted his identity. He stopped trying to impress and started assuming he was already operating at a higher level. He spoke like a leader. He carried himself like a leader. He made decisions like someone already chosen. And soon, life mirrored it. His boss said, I think it's time to move you up. The promotion didn't change him. His assumption changed the promotion. Close your eyes. Imagine a scene that proves your desire is fulfilled. Feel the atmosphere of it. Maybe you're holding the keys to your new home. Maybe you're reading a message saying funds successfully credited. Maybe you're celebrating with someone you love. Don't think about how it happened. Don't list the steps, just feel it. Because feeling is the bridge. Feeling is the evidence. Feeling is the creative force that speaks directly to the subconscious. Your subconscious does not understand begging. It does not understand hoping. It understands identity. It understands emotion. It understands assumption. When you feel something as real now, the universe begins moving instantly to reflect it. Calmness is your creative power. An anxious heart repels. A peaceful heart attracts. The more calmly you assume the end, the faster it becomes your physical reality. Whenever doubt appears, don't fight with it. Don't argue with it. Just say, you are the old me. I no longer live there. Then return to the feeling of the end. Return to identity. Return to the fulfilled version of yourself. One more example. A small creator uploaded videos for months. No views, no momentum, no results. He kept waiting for the algorithm to save him. Nothing changed. Then he discovered Neville's teaching. Become the one who already has what he desires. He stopped acting like a small channel hoping for attention. He started assuming he was already a successful creator. He spoke differently. He edited differently. He planned differently. He thanked his audience even when the views were low. And within weeks, videos began exploding. Comments appeared. The channel grew. Momentum accelerated. He didn't manifest success. He manifested the version of himself who succeeds. And the world echoed the identity he embodied. This is the calm way to manifest anything. You don't chase outcomes. You embody outcomes. You don't wait for change. You become the change. You don't force the world to bend. You shift your state, and the world bends automatically. Right now, whisper gently inside. It is done. I am already the one I choose to be. My world is aligning now. Feel your shoulders relax. Feel your breath deepen. Feel your heart soften. This calmness is not emptiness, it's creation. This peace is not passive, it's power. When you move from the state of the wish fulfilled, life responds effortlessly. There is no desire too big, no story too old, no timeline too late. You are the operant power. When you assume it done, reality adjusts itself with perfect precision. Walk into your day as the version of you who already has what you desire. Speak as that version. Think as that version. Feel as that version. If this message awakens something in you, if it reminded you of who you truly are, take a moment to support this channel. Leave a super thanks if this teaching blessed your spirit. It truly helps me create more Neville Goddard content for you. Like the video if this message resonated, comment "I live from the end" to seal your new identity, and subscribe so you never miss these teachings. Now go, as the fulfilled one, as the chosen one, as the one who already has it. It is done. It is finished. It is yours.